Hello everyone, welcome to my garden. I'm so excited to be sharing this video with you guys with the best things that you need to pick up in Dollar Tree, the best finds, the best deals. If you are a gardener or if you're looking to get into gardening, Dollar Tree has so many amazing finds this year and so many good uses for the Dollar Tree items that you can use to save money in your garden. So first thing I want to mention is this nice straw hat with a very wide brim, perfect for gardening outside in the summertime. It does have like little holes, so it's still like breathable, which is really nice. And this is just $3. I love picking up the gardening gloves in Dollar Tree. These are my favorite ones to get. I pick up a bunch of pairs. You can wash them. You can put them even through the washer and dryer. Dollar Tree has these packs of 12 little seed starting pots. These are awesome. You get 12 of them for $1.25. They're just fantastic size for starting any of your seeds or things that you want to start indoors and then move out. A lot of times I love to start stuff in the little seed starting cups just so that I actually know what it is, because too many times you'll plant something outside and then even if you label it, sometimes like a weed will also come up and it can be easy to get confused. So these are a great deal. And then if you, depending what you're growing, if you want something a little bit larger, they have this 6-pack of the larger size also for $1.25. I almost forgot to mention red Solo cups. Dollar Tree does carry, I saw a whole bag of them. I think it was $3. And if you are using these little seed starting containers, little seed starting pots that are 12 for $1.25, they fit great in a red Solo cup. And this way the water can drain down here. It's perfect. This way you can start them on your windowsill in your house and you do not get water, you know, all over. Definitely don't forget your plant labels. It is so important to label, and I label all of my cups as well with those little seed starting cups. Dollar Tree has some great tools. They have great little like hoe and rake and little things like that. My favorite are the little shovel and trowel here. Oh, there's a hummingbird right in front of me. These are the ones that I tend to get the most use out of. Now, speaking of hummingbirds, so my mother-in-law got me a beautiful hummingbird feeder. Let me turn you around and show you. I had to share this with you because I think this is a great deal for a hummingbird feeder for $1.25. It does hold a really good amount too, because to be honest, with your hummingbird feeders, you want to be changing the liquid in here. So generally in cooler temperatures, you still want to change it like every week. And then in the summer when it's really hot out and, you know, it's just, you don't want bacteria building up, and you probably want to be changing it every day or at least every other day. So this is a great size. It does have a little hook. Dollar Tree also has, I think you call these a shepherd's hook. They have a small one. It's not super large, but it would definitely hold your hummingbird feeder. The other thing I just saw in Dollar Tree today is these little thermometers, and having an outdoor thermometer in your garden, in my opinion, is a must. Houseplant pest traps. This is something that is, I think, relatively new to Dollar Tree, but not new to me. I've been buying these little yellow sticky paper traps on Amazon for probably like the past 5-6 years. Actually, no, it's probably like 9 years now. And they work amazing to get those little flies that tend to live in the soil or lay their eggs in the soil. They just look like little gnats and they are so annoying. Those little flies are actually attracted to the color yellow, and there's a little butterfly shape, but this is perfect. Stick these in to help get rid of those little gnats. This is not really for outdoor gardening, but you know, if you have them indoors in your houseplant garden, you may want to use this. Random accessory for gardening. If you are in the Dollar Tree and you're doing a lot of like backyard gardening and nothing too major, these kitchen shears, the heavyweight ones, these actually work really well for some of my basic garden pruning and trimming when I'm taking cuttings of things, or I just want to, you know, cut back and trim and clean up some of my smaller plants and shrubs and bushes and flowers. This is amazing. I use them all the time whenever I'm even like harvesting green onions and things like that. So I love having one of these for my garden supplies. If you know someone who is into gardening, pass this video on to them. There is so many little deals and hacks and tips and tricks to save money in Dollar Tree. Panty Hose. Nobody thought this one was going to be in the garden essentials video. These are great to cut into pieces. You can use this to tie up your tomatoes, your cucumbers, something like the Panty Hose, the flexibility of it. It stretches so easily and breathable, and it will allow your plants to grow without a problem. This is a hack I learned from my dad. He's been doing this for decades, and he does so many tomatoes like this every summer. Dollar Tree has these new plastic flower holder, like little clear vases. It's just an acrylic tray, but it's got little holes in the top that you can arrange your flowers in here. And I know this is not like something you need for your garden, but I think it's really fun that if you do have different flowers or greenery in your garden that you want to take little cuttings or clippings, hey, maybe even some of your herbs went to seed and they've just bolted and now you've got all the little flowers in the top. Hey, you can bring them inside and you can decorate around your home. So I grabbed one of these little totes in Dollar Tree, and this is from they call it a small craft caddy. However, I think this one would do the job to keep your seeds, your different tools or labeling. I think this is just great that for me to use when I'm out here planting and putting things in the ground. I've got multiple seed packs. I've got maybe some scissors with me, maybe a trowel, definitely some of the seed labels, and a Sharpie marker, just all my little accessories. And so I can kind of keep them all with me in one convenient place and carry them around. A great way to organize some seeds is taking one of the Dollar Tree photo albums. They just have all of these little plastic page protectors that you can slide your seed packs right down in. Speaking of that, all these seeds are from Dollar Tree as well. They have so many seeds that you can usually find in there for flowers and herbs and vegetables. Dollar Tree has some great little notebooks, and this ideas one is really fun if you want to make some notes of how your garden is doing. You've got the blank pages in it, so if you want to doodle, draw, depict your ideas for the garden, come up with some new garden layout ideas, make some notes of what's working, what's not. I am definitely doing some more garden keeping some more notes, I guess, in a planner and a journal this year already that I have, and it's been immensely helpful for me. I love being able to look back in there, and then also I love jotting down like any notes that I have or like things that I need to buy or I'm hoping to get some cuttings of and add to my garden or anything like that. Dollar Tree also has some really fun little like herb growing kits. They had some flower ones too that I saw today, but this basil growing kit is really cute. This would also be fun to include in a gift idea, and definitely just a great way to get some herbs very inexpensively. Another thing I use from Dollar Tree all the time are these little misting spray bottles. So Dollar Tree also has a larger size one as well, but these are great for just watering any of my little starter seedlings that are in the little cups indoors. It's also great for anything that you need to apply topically to your plants. I also have some treatments that I sometimes will mix up and use in here, whether it is like a vitamin nutrient foliage spray treatment. There's one that I use on my citrus. I've also got some fungal, bacterial, or insecticide type sprays that I use that are for organic gardening, that are made from essential oils primarily. And so these are great to have on hand to just be able to just apply things to your plants as needed. Now, whether you're gardening indoors or outdoors, a 4-pack of this 8-inch plant saucer and a 3-pack of the 10-inch plant saucer. Oh, here's the other zinnia pack. I think this is the one that I actually did last year. These are actually 4 packs for $1.25. Something else that I love to pick up in Dollar Tree for my garden are these freezer bags. So I've got the gallon size and I've got the quart size. The gallon size has been great for me to put like kale, spinach, things like that into the freezer. I like using the quart size for things like peas, snow peas, sugar, snap peas, carrots. This little bucket in Dollar Tree, $1.25. It's kind of flimsy and a little bit thin, but you could drill some holes in the bottom and make a pretty good size planter out of this. If you don't mind spending a little bit more, Dollar Tree has this really sturdy, super nice one for $5. This one actually comes with like the whole water irrigation water catcher down below, so you could also water your plants from the roots. These are a 13 or almost 14 inch by 12.5 inch self-watering planter. This is really nice for $5. Such a bargain. And then if you're trying to do a little bit more vertical gardening, these are $1.25 a piece, and they're these stackable planters. You can stack them up and go vertical with your garden. You never know what you're going to need these for, but Dollar Tree has a variety of the nylon zip tie cable ties, so these definitely can come in handy. They have 3 different sizes. I like to keep some of these on hand because you never know what you need them for working out in your yard or your garden. And then these little waste baskets in Dollar Tree. These come in handy to put over top like this, right over top of your young plants, your little seedling starter plants, if you're trying to keep bunny rabbits out of there from eating the tender young plants leaves. This would also be great to put on top of your strawberry plants to kind of keep the birds from eating all of your berries. And I almost completely forgot to mention, but you can pick up some of the river rocks in Dollar Tree. They have bags of stones for $1.25, and grab a little red paint, paint them red, and then place them around your strawberry plants. The birds do not like pecking on hard things, so if you keep this out there, it just kind of turns them off to whatever the red things are in this area. They won't be interested in it anymore, and it will allow you to get your strawberries, let them ripen without the birds getting them. And this might be off topic, but I do like gardening in rubber shoes, and Dollar Tree has these kind of rubber slip-on sandal or Crocs. One thing I don't know if I've seen in Dollar Tree recently are these Oranza bags, but keep an eye out, and if you see them, the Oranza bags make a great way to protect your fruit. I've got my peaches covered up here, and they are all ripening and doing amazing, and it just keeps the pests, the insects, the birds off my fruit so that we can actually get a chance to harvest it. Also in the Dollar Plus section for $5, there are some solar metal lanterns, plastic lanterns. These are really nice to add around your outdoor deck, patio, lanai, or anywhere around your garden space. There's also this 15 bulb light set that would be really decorative and beautiful to add into your garden space as well. Another really fun Dollar Tree find is this gardening tote. This was $5, and look how big this is inside. Like, this has really good room. It has so many individual pockets all the way around on this. I guess it's feels like a canvas bag. This would make a great gift idea for any gardener that you know. Fill this up with some gardening supplies, maybe some seeds, maybe even add some pots of some real plants, herbs. This would just be such a fun gift idea, a gift idea for Mother's Day, a gift idea for mom. You know, any gardener I think would really enjoy that. So thank you guys so much for being here. I hope that you enjoyed these Dollar Tree gardening tips, hacks, essentials, all of the good deals in Dollar Tree. I hope that you enjoyed. If you have any other ideas for things that you would pick up in Dollar Tree to use in your garden, I want to know about it, and I'm sure everyone else does too. So definitely leave that in the comments down below. As always, I'm wishing you a beautiful, blessed day, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.